All right, happy Tuesday, you guys. So I wanted to start off with you guys understanding where you're gonna go for today's lesson. You need to click on this blue link. It says the 4-link Reckon Rack for video 3. So you're gonna click on that. And when you click on it, you're gonna see this. You're gonna come down and you're gonna click the first yellow square, okay? So when you click that first yellow square, it's gonna pop up like this. And what you need to do is you're gonna go back to that first yellow square again, and you're gonna click it because you want all the pieces to come over to this side, okay? So our lesson today is that your skill, and I'm gonna show you my paper right here, is that you are gonna be able to count across tens when you are counting by ones all the way through 40. And remember, we realized yesterday that when we have groups of 10, so again, 4 tens is gonna make 40. That's why we're using the four rows on the Reckon Rack. So your 2 skills today, number 1, and you're gonna need this link for today's lesson because you're gonna do it with me, is that you can use a Reckon Rack to count to 40. Your second thing is, again, you're gonna make sure that you can say your numbers the say 10 way and the regular way. So at different parts of my lesson, I'm gonna say, stop, can you say your number the say 10 way? And then again, I might say, stop, now say it the regular way, okay? So that's really our practice today. And again, we're working on making sure we understand the say 10 way, okay? So if you will come back to your screen for the Reckon Rack, you need to make sure that when you're down here on the bottom, you don't want to change anything. And if what is blue is going to be what we're going to count by. So for right now, I would love for you to make sure that you are clicked on the number 1 down below right here so that you are counting by ones. Now, our Reckon Rack is different. You are not going to touch the actual bead. It won't move. You've got to come over and you're going to touch the plus button, and I want you right now to help count as your beads come over, okay? So if you want to whisper count, you can. I will count mine out loud just so you guys are here with me, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At this moment in time, I have all 5 white beads over. They are not anywhere with the reds, and I need to keep counting over, okay? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have all 10 beads that have come over. Now what I would like you to do is I would like you to say your next number the say 10 way. So that for me would sound like this. 10 and 1. 1 bead came over. 10 and 2. 2 beads came over. 10 and 3. 3 beads came over. And now with that, will you please tell me what is 10 and 3 the regular way? Did you get 13? Good job. Okay, let's keep going. Ready? 10 and 4, 10 and 5. And I want you to tell me what is 10 and 5 the regular way? Did you get 16? Nice job. Okay, what I would like 15, I'm so sorry. Your total is 15. I was gonna have you now start counting the regular way with the rest of them, okay? So we have 15, if we add on one more, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now I want you to stop here and I want you to look and I want you to see we have 1 set of 10, 2 sets of 10. So 2 tens makes our total amount of 20, okay? All right, let's keep going down below. Ready? We have 2 tens and 1. And we know when we have 2 tens and 1, our total is 21. All right, we have 2 tens, and if I add on one more, 2, 2 tens and 3, 2 tens and 4, 2 tens and 5, 2 tens and 6. So I want you to stop right there. 2 tens and 6. Will you please tell it to me or tell me it the regular way? If you have 2 tens and 6, what is your total? Did you get 26? Nice job. Okay, let's count the regular way, okay? 27, 28, 29, 30. Good job. Okay, look at our sets of 10. I have 1 set of 10, 2 sets of 10, and 3 sets of 10. So I know 3 sets of 10 makes a total of 30. All right, we are almost done. Let's go down here. And I'm going to say it the Say 10 way. 3 tens, 1. 3 tens, 2. 3 tens, 3. 3 tens, 4. 3 tens, 5. 3 tens, 6. 3 tens, 7. And right there, I want you to stop and think about when we say it the tens way of 3 tens, 7, what is your total? Did you get 37? Nice job, you guys. Okay, keep counting now the regular way, okay? 38, 39, 40. Awesome job, you guys. Okay, if you need extra practice, all you have to do is come back down to the bottom square and you are going to hit that and it swipes them all back and you can keep counting again. Remember, your big goals again are that you can say your numbers the Say 10 way and you can say them the regular way. But remember, your Say 10 way is now changing because again, we now have groups of 10 that you're going to be counting. So again, if we have 2 sets pulled over, that's going to be 2 tens, and then you're slowly going to count what you're going to bring over, okay? All right, you guys, awesome job. Just so you know, your math is going to be on page 233. You are going to count the dots, and you are going to answer the questions down below. For this page, you will need a green crayon or a green marker to color because there's going to be something they want you to color. So make sure you're reading carefully the top, and again, you're reading carefully on the bottom. Your next page, you are going to work on, again, counting on and filling in the missing numbers. Same thing, you are given a number and you're filling in the missing numbers in each of these pieces. Now, remember, our last and final piece is, again, a first grade skill. You are counting down by ones. So if you need help from mom and dad, please make sure that you are asking them for help. The last and final page you guys are going to do is going to be on page 235. I love this page. This is seeing if you are really paying attention to how you count. Our instructions say you need to touch and count carefully, and then you need to cross out the mistake and write the right number, the correct number. So here is your example. When we count, it's not 1, 2, 9, 4, 5. We need to cross out the number 9. That's not correct. And we need to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a page really having you slow down. Make sure you're pointing to each of your numbers and figuring out which number is not correct. All right, you guys, wonderful job today. Again, if you need help with that Rec and Rack, feel free to reach out to the teachers. Bye.